I often get asked whether the foundation vents that are the little opening gaps along the perimeter of your foundation, if those should be open or closed in the winter. Now, normally in Portland, we don't have very extreme low temperatures, and so they can remain open to keep the proper airflow. But when it drops well below freezing for a period of time, say more than a few days, it is recommended to actually get those little plugs and cover those vents up. And that can help to prevent freezing pipes or air ducts that have a little bit of air leak. It'll keep the air inside, the warm in, the cool out. Now, it's important to remember that those do not need to stay plugged all year, the foundation vents. Open it up when the temperatures become more mild because that airflow is absolutely crucial for health in your home.